in the light. Every Sunday I come home and the ocean get me right. Brown shoulders, gold dripping in the sun, salt in my laughter waves when I run. Kids in the water, joy loud and clear. Every grain of sand say you belong here. Reset my mind when the world too loud. Ocean my blanket, I lay it down proud. Tide kiss my ankles, pull stress from my veins. Every wave remind me love still remains. Ooh, the water love me back. She rock me steady, never off track. Every Sunday I rise again the same. Salt ain't just season, it's sweat and tears. It's the proof I survived all these years. Military roots, Gulf girl soul. Ocean been the medicine making me whole. Sun paint my skin, chocolate divine. Ocean say, baby, your glow is mine. Feet in the sand, rhythm in my chest. Salt water whisper, girl, just rest. Salt's on my skin, love in my bones. Ocean